Role of radio. Introduction. Radio is widely used mass communication medium and has a great potentiality in dissemination of information as radio signals cover almost entire population. More than 177 radio stations are there across the country. 97% the population is reached by the radio. Radio being a convenient form of entertainment captures to a large audience. With the advent of transistors, this medium has reached the common man in urban and rural areas of India, though the utilization of radio is more among rural elites. Role and function of radio in society. Information, entertainment, education, agenda setting, psychological support in society. Role and function of radio in society. Information. Radio is an electronic medium of audio communication. Through news, talk shows, adverts, and other programs, creates awareness in society of what is happening within and outside a given society. Education. Through the documentaries, drama, and quiz shows aired on radio, society members are able to draw lessons, look at instances of plays on HIV/AIDS, agriculture aired. Radio teaches society development and healthy aspects relevant to day-by-day needs. Documentaries on agriculture health have also impacted on societies worlds over. Agenda setting. Radio presents to society issues yet to become public debates. Radio provides variety of options on which to base enlightenment decision. The radio determines what audience will discuss, airing it by talking about a corrupt government official. Society members are brought on board. Call to action. Psychological support in society. Most of the radio stations have programs where people share problems with counselors, doctors, and get answers or solutions at no cost. Advantages of radio. Radio is one of the media which covers huge population. Radio can be enjoyed at home, in office, while driving car, and can be enjoyed anywhere. Radio channels varies from region to region. Hence, you can listen radio in your regional languages. Like other entertainment media, the radio is also favorite of large number of population. Important information or news can be easily spread on radio. Disadvantages of radio. Only an audio medium for communication. During bad weather, you cannot listen radio properly, often unclear and affected by weather. You need to adjust frequency properly. Thank you.